8 foods to boost the male sex drive. Number 1. Oysters. This particular male enhancement's food is rich in zinc. This ingredient increases the production of sperm and testosterone. Eating raw oysters can boost your libido. Number 2. Almonds. Almonds and a variety of nuts. Nuts are known to be rich in fatty acids, which is vital in producing the male hormone that helps to regulate the male libido. Number 3. Bananas. This fruit contains potassium and vitamin B. These two help to boost overall energy, increase libido and help reduce impotence. Number 4. Basil. Improves circulation and stimulates the male sex drive. This food ingredient is also known to increase the female fertility. Number 5. Eggs. This particular male enhancement food helps to balance the hormone levels and fights off stress and help restore the declining libido. Number 6. Figs. The amino acids contained in this fruit helps increase libido, as well improve sexual energy. Number 7. Juicy fruits. Such as watermelon, mangoes, strawberries and peaches relax the body's blood vessels, so that blood easily flow to penile area, thus increasing arousal. Number 8. Garlic. This natural male enhancement food is rich in allicin, which helps increase circulation to the sex organs.